Hello and welcome to our channel. We are finally back with our hashtag food series, and as a comeback, we will feature Joeselle'S sweets, breads, and pastries. They have sent us 6 boxes of their banana loaves, so that's 3 regular and 3 premium flavors. But before that, if you haven't subscribed in our channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell button so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And by the way, if you are seeing those white stains, that is because we have sprayed alcohol all over the packaging, so that explains that. And for sure, online sellers are exerting their best effort to prepare our food as safe as possible, but since it underwent delivery, of course, safety is our top priority. Okay, so now going back to our products here, we will dig on each flavors, and now let's have a closer look on each box. Just look at that. Isn't that appetizing? I really can't wait for us to dig in more on each of their flavors. So now let's go ahead and talk about their first premium flavor that we have here, which is the chocolate almond. For sure, we all know that chocolate or honey bar that we all love when we were little. And their version is so premium, it has a distinct nutty taste and crumbly texture that really complements well with their banana loaf. Right up next to it, we have their very famous and best-seller chocolate chip banana loaf, and no wonder why, because as you can see, it has a generous amount of chocolate chip topping. You will definitely crave for more bite. Up next is their ube-filled banana loaf. This is a famous Filipino dessert stuffed in a banana loaf, and its gentle ube flavor that was merged on the loaf made it so perfect. Next is their Nutella Almond Banana Loaf. This is one of their best sellers in their premium loaves, and that explains why it is everybody's favorite. They was able to keep that authentic taste of chocolate and hazelnut, and this one is extra moist. And last but definitely not the least is their Nutty Choco Chip that contains almonds and walnuts. Almonds and walnuts are nutrient-dense food, and having it on a banana loaf really made it so special. Walnuts gave it a crunchy texture, and I love that it's not too sweet. Should you have any inquiries, you may check their social media accounts. They are both on Facebook and Instagram. Just search for Joeselle'S Sweets, Breads, and Pastries, and don't forget to follow and like their page. The very first time that Ayan tried a banana loaf, and as you guys can see, she really loved it. So that only means this is Ayan approved. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. If you haven't subscribed in our channel yet, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you'll be notified in our next video. And leave a comment down below if you have any food suggestion that you want us to feature next time. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw, amping mo tanan, and support local.